This dog is pretty cool, but he could probably be cooler. So what we decided to do is get him this gold chain. This chain comes wrapped up in a vinyl wrap to keep it nice and shiny. It's a nice heavy chain. We're going to pull it out of this wrap. You can see there's a clasp on one side that's easy to open, and then on the other side it's got the interface with a place for the dog chain. He's happy to get his chain on, so we'll wrap that around, give it a click, and now you can see he's a tough guy with his big thick chain on. This might work with a larger dog also, but it certainly looks good on this guy. Hope this helps. What do you think of your new gold chain, my friend? I think he likes it.